Do you want to feel good in your life? Do you want to feel energetic? If the answer to these questions is yes, then all you need to do is practice gratitude in your life. As a student, I know you might be thankful for a lot of things, but it's very important to be vocal about it on daily basis. So today's video is all about gratitude. But before we move ahead, let's understand what is the meaning of gratitude. Gratitude is a feeling of being thankful for all the good things that you have in your life. Because whatever things you have, the others might not be having it. And to acknowledge that on daily basis is a very, very important thing. It truly brings you happiness, joy, and personal fulfillment. If your energy is low, you feel very restless, then this is something that you must consider practicing because it's going to change your life forever. Why is being grateful so important? Because when you practice gratitude, it reduces stress and anxiety. You might be feeling negative for the entire day. You might be speaking a lot about so many things that are not working well for you. But when you have this kind of emotion, when you practice gratitude, your energy shifts from negative thoughts to the positive ones. And you start acknowledging, you start focusing on the things that are working right for you. So, as a student, start practicing this. And trust me, it's going to change your life forever. We all know that in our heart we feel grateful, right? But as I told earlier, it's very important to be vocal about it. It's important to express our gratitude towards our loved ones from time to time and towards the thing that God has blessed us with. A very important question: how can you practice gratitude? Now we know that the gratitude plays a very important role in our life, but how can we practice it? You don't have to do much about it. Just buy a small gratitude journal and keep it with you. All it takes is 2 minutes. Create that gratitude journal in which you can write or even draw things that you're grateful for each day and share the list with your friends. The more positivity you spread, the more it's going to come back to you. The next thing that you can practice is gratitude circle. This one is personally my favorite too. You can practice it with your family or friends. I practice it with my husband and my daughter. We sit in a circle and we start speaking about the things that we are grateful for. I will start for I'm grateful for my daughter. And then we continue the circle. You can do 3 rounds of it, 4 rounds of it, and see the energy. There will be so much positive energy around. So take turns, and each person will be speaking something that they're thankful for. And do this every week or even daily. Make it a part of your family. If nobody has ever done that, you break the chain and you start doing it. Introduce it to your family as a student. The next thing that you can do is story time gratitude. As a student, you might be going to library. Read the books that focuses on gratitude and see how you can inculcate the same thing in your life. Whenever you're learning something good, always try to connect it back with your own life. This is how you can bring a positive change in your life. Another beautiful activity that you can do is gratitude jar. You might be thinking that all these activities are very, you don't have time for doing this, but it hardly takes a minute. Keep a gratitude jar in your room and drop a note into it whenever you feel thankful for something. At the end of the week or month, read the notes together with your family And what you can do is even ask your family members to add a note there and see how beautiful it is to connect yourself with your family. These activities really help you to connect with your family, because sometimes as a student we feel really disconnected with our family. But introduce these activities to your parents and do it together. The next beautiful thing that you can do is gratitude art. Do not worry about how well you are drawing. It really doesn't matter. What matters is that you are trying to represent something. So represent the things that you're grateful for. And you can do this in a form of painting, drawing, collage. If not daily, at least every month you can do it. And introspect and reflect upon the things that you're grateful for. And why you should practice gratitude. Because it not only contributes to your personal and professional growth, but it also helps you to navigate difficulties with a more positive mindset. You feel more positive when you are acknowledging the things that you already have. If you keep on cribbing, if you keep on complaining whole day, you won't be able to take a positive action. So this is something that you should definitely inculcate in your life. After watching this video, all you need to do is choose one way of expressing gratitude. I've shared so many of them, but you can choose any one of your favorite and do it consistently. It's not something that you've done once and after that you're doing it after 6 months, then you don't get that feeling. Do it consistently for a month and also share the same with your friends. Because, like I told earlier, the more you spread positivity, the more it multiplies and grows, and the more better you feel. So, start doing it. I hope this video was helpful to you, and you will definitely start practicing gratitude. Do practice it and tell me how your life changed after it. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.